Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be showing you tomorrow's new releases, which I'm really excited about. So let's dive right in and get started with our doodles. So here is our little pastel yoga doodles, and it just has two different yoga mats and a little zen-ish flower. I don't know what you would call it. And then we have little pastel printers that you can use for work. I know that I obviously use my printer a lot, so these will come in handy. And these are just our two new doodles. Other than that, we also have the little beans, which are doodled, but I don't really call them doodle stickers. They're just my beans. And so this one right here is a study bean. So you can see she has like two different desk like designs, positions. Here she's reading a book, and here she's actually writing something. And then this one is my favorite. She's like really angry or frustrated and just breaks a pencil. My husband's like, that's the angriest bean I've ever seen. I'm like, yeah, I think it is. I think I have an angry sheet, but this one, like, she is really angry there. Then we have this little taco bean, which I'm probably going to call my Cinco de Mayo bean. And but you can really use it pretty much anytime you want, because you can do it for like taco night or drinks, or just, you know, if you really love avocados or something. I really love avocados. And then these house beans have been a long time coming, because with us building our new home, I feel like this one right here, I don't know if you can see, she's like, hey. So I just feel like that's gonna be me as soon as they start building my house. I can't wait to put that one down. So yeah, house beans have been seriously needed for a long time. Then we have, let me move these out of the way so I can spread my kits out. Two new kits, which are freaking, like, look at these colors. They're gorgeous. I love them. This one's more pastel-y, and then this is just like spring in your face. So freaking pretty. But I'll get started with this one. So this is the Ooh La La Paris kit, and it's in our new format. So here's like all the half boxes, or what am I saying? Full boxes. Then we have our checklists. Then we have the big washi, the bottom washi with dates, some more washi. Then it's all the headers and littles and little extra stickers. I keep going like this as if it has foil, but these don't have foil, you guys. Then here is our half boxes, and then some icons and little typography stickers, amongst many other stickers. So I am loving this new format. I feel like it added a whole bunch of more stickers with only one more page, and you don't really have to purchase every page if you don't want to either, because we always offer it a la carte. So moving on to this kit, it says, nothing can dim the light that shines within. And it's just very spring, very bright. I feel like I haven't done a really bright kit in a while. I've been mostly just focused on pastels. So let me show you. This is our full boxes once again, our checklists, more headers and littles, half boxes, and then the big washi, or I keep calling it big washi, but I mean bottom washi, but I guess it's big washi. And then the date covers here, and that is this kit. Seriously, love these boxes. So that's pretty much it for stickers. It was the two kits and then the beans and doodles. Then we have just a few die cuts that we're releasing. So we have a little April, show you guys, April calendar die cut here. It's a little bunny bean. Then we have a May one, and she's just got a flower and she's holding a margarita. Seemed appropriate. Then we have a mermaid bean, and I just loved this color. So pretty. It's not quite Little Mermaid, but almost. And then, because I seriously love avocados, I have little bean like hugging a really happy avocado. I'm like trying to get it to zoom in, but it's not working, so I hope you guys can see it okay here. And then what I'm most excited about are these little vinyl stickers. So these are sparkly. These I can go like this. And so we'll have, I think I have them right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors to choose from. This color right here, the opal, I will have, I'd like to say about like 20 or 25 of each design, which is only 3 designs. So actually, let me just show you that first. So mermaid bean, of course, because I'm obsessed with mermaid bean, and I changed her up a little bit and added a little heart to the seashells, and then I made this right here solid. Just because like I really want to appreciate like all this beautiful color shininess, and if it's just the lines, I feel like it really gets lost. So there's those, and then we have a little avocado. I don't know what's wrong with me, you guys. I just really love avocados right now. Like I seriously have no idea what's the matter with me. I've been eating them every day. I just want to draw them. Like I just have avocado in my mind. And then what I showed you guys and y'all loved was this swish and flick. It's so cute. I love it. I just want to put it on everything. The swish and flick will come in 2 different sizes. It is going to be the, what is this, 4 inches, and then 3.5 inches. And I put that because it's going to be like about 4 inches. Like it might be like 4.03 or something like that. Same with this. And so I really love this reddish holographic color, but oh, this opal is just, I don't know, just sings to me. But I just want them all. I want to use them all. I don't even know where to put them, but I want to put them everywhere. So here are the 3 designs coming to the shop. You got a little avocado, swish and flick in 2 different sizes, and mermaids. These will all be, I think, 3.5 inches. Yeah, that's what it is. 3.5 inches for all of these on the biggest size, or side, obviously. Now, let me show you the colors for the foils. We have the opal, which is this one. And this is the one that I'll have about 20 or 25 of each design. Then we have this reddish holographic one, which is the swish and flick that you just saw here. I'll probably only have maybe like 5 or 8 of each design in this one. And if one is selling out more than the other, I'll probably just like transfer over a little bit. I just want to make sure that I have enough supplies on hand to get those out. Then this here is beautiful. Like I know it looks very yellow, but it's almost like this cream, I don't know, it's so pretty. It is the little avocado you saw here. Like it looks very yellow here, but not so much here. This is probably one of my favorites. This is the same. We'll probably have between 5, 8, maybe I can push 10 of this one. And then we have this like super orangey copper color that I did not use. I haven't used it yet, but it is whoa in your face bright. And so let me show you all together. I feel like I want to put these 2 together. So these are the 4 different options that I'll have. And yeah, so I will list different quantities for each and adjust like appropriately if they're sold. And so, okay, that is it, you guys. I am going to clean up this mess I made because I just threw stickers everywhere. So don't forget, it's these. We have these right here. We have our 2 new kits. And we have all the, well, it's not that many die cuts, just 4 die cuts. So we have these 4 die cuts. And that is it. So I hope you like them. Bye.